Welcome to the breathtaking paradise of Palawan Island. It's no wonder na Palawan ay kinikilala bilang isa sa pinakamagandang isla sa buong mundo. Kaya kung plano mo nang bumisita, today, I'm gonna share with you the top 5 best places you absolutely can't miss. Tara na't samahan niyo ako sa paglalakbay na ito. First on our list is Coron, famous for its breathtaking lagoon, crystal clear water, and some of the best diving spots in the world. Bukod pa dito, ang mga limestone cliff at kagandang mga beaches ay paraiso para sa mga nature lovers. Don't miss Kayangan Lake, dubbed as the cleanest lake in the Philippines, and the serene beauty of Twin Lagoon, where salt water meets fresh water, an unforgettable experience. Ang Coron ay kilala rin sa mga World War II shipwreck na perfect para sa mga divers at snorkelers. Our next stop, El Nido. Dito mo makikita ang mga iconic na limestone cliff at white sand beaches na kilala sa buong mundo. El Nido offers some of the most stunning seascapes you'll ever see, from the turquoise water of Big Lagoon to the hidden gems of Secret Beach. Every spot feels like paradise. Pumunta rin sa Small Lagoon para sa isang tahimik na kayak experience o mag-snorkel para makita ang buhay sa ilalim ng dagat. Ang El Nido ay walang kapantay pagdating sa island hopping adventures. For those looking for more peaceful escape, Port Barton is the place to be. Located between Puerto Princesa and El Nido, Port Barton offers a quiet retreat away from the crowd. It is the perfect place to relax on less commercialized beaches. Enjoy island hopping, swimming with turtles, and experiencing the simple island life. Walang masyadong turista, kaya ideal ito para sa mga gustong mag-unwind. Next up, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, also known as the Sabang Underground River. Ang underground river na ito ay isa sa mga new 7 wonders of natures. Dito mo makikita ang napakalaking stalactites, stalagmites at iba pang kakaibang rock formation habang naglalayag sa loob ng kuweba. This 8.2-kilometer river flows directly into the sea, offering visitors a unique boat tour experience through its awe-inspiring cave system. And finally, we end our journey at the heart of Palawan, Puerto Princesa, the island capital. Known as the cleanest and greeniest city in the Philippines. Puerto Princesa is the gateway to many adventures. Huwag kalimutang bisitahin ang Honda Bay para sa island hopping. At kung mahilig ka sa wildlife, pumunta sa Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation. With its vibrant city life, delicious seafood restaurants, and accessibility to natural wonders, Puerto Princesa offers a little bit of everything for every type of travelers. At yan ang top 5 best places na dapat mong bisitahin sa Palawan. Mula sa magagandang beaches ng Corona del Nido hanggang sa mga natural wonders ng Sabang at Puerto Princesa. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip to Palawan now. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na adventure. See you on your next adventure!